Hi kids, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel Easy Drawing for Kids. Let's learn some colors today. Yellow color, green color, violet color, black color, sky blue color, red color, royal blue color and brown color. So let's learn some 2D shapes, how to draw 2D shapes and how to color it. Let's start drawing. Heart shape, this is heart shape. The second one is what shape? This is square shape. Square shape. After that I will draw a arrow shape. Arrow shape. The fourth one is pie. Pie shape. Pie shape. The fifth one is pentagon shape. Pentagon shape. And the last one is circle shape. So here is our 2D shape. So let's start coloring. বাসার বারো If you enjoy my drawing and coloring, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching.